Hello class 6, this is teacher Regina and today's topic is about bar graph. So let us start now. So this is an example of a bar graph. First, a bar graph uses bars to show a picture of the data collected. So this line is what we call the y-axis, where we can see the numbers of the data. And this line, which we call the x-axis, where we can see the labels of the data in order to let us know what data is it. For example, here are the names of the colors. So this is the labels that we have. And remember that every graph or a bar graph always have a title. So here the title of our bar graph is Student's Favorite Color. So let us have an example. For example, the color blue. How many numbers or how many students who wants the color blue? So as we see, the bar of the color blue stop on the number 10. So this is the meaning that there are 10 students who wants the color blue. Next one, let us see the color green. So how many students who wants the color green? So as we see, it is not stopped exactly 15. So if we see the distance of each number, 10 and 15, the distance is 5. So if approximately, or we say that estimated, here, if the bar green stops in this point, we can say that the number is 17. So we can say that there are 17 students who wants the green color. So let us have another one. So in this data, they collect the number of toys sold on Mondays at Andy's toy shop. So this is the graph or the bar graph that they do. So we can see the name of the toys, which is the car, elephant, duck, and drum. And here are the numbers. So let us have some title for this, which is Sales at Andy's Toy Shop. Let us have the first question. How many cars were sold? Using the bar graph, let us answer the question. So, this is the car, and the bar of the car stops at number 5. So, we can say that there are 5 cars that they were sold. Let us have another question. How many elephants then ducks were sold? So, this is the elephant. Okay, the elephant stopped at 7 and the duck stopped at 3. So, in order to know the difference, we need to subtract. So, 7 minus 3, it means there are 4 more elephants than ducks that they already sold. Let us have another question. Which toy sold the most? So, in order to know the most number of toys that was sold, we can see the highest graph. So, what is the highest graph? Which is the drum. So, it means the toy that sold most is the drum. Next one. How many elephants and drums were sold in all? So in order to know the number of elephants and drums together, what we need to do is to add. First, the elephants sold is 7. Then add with the number of drums, which is stopped in the number 9. Okay, you see. So 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. So there are 16 elephants and drums were sold in all. Which toy did the shop sell more, car or the duck? Okay, so looking at the car, this is the car and the duck. Which is the highest bar is the car. So it means the car sold more than the duck. Next one. A survey about customers' favorite toppings in pizza. Okay, so this is our title, favorite pizza toppings. So this is the graph that we have. As you see, showing the toppings name down, and here are the numbers. So let us have the first question. So first question is, which is the most popular toppings? So here are the names of the toppings. Popular means more, higher, number. So looking at the bar graph, the highest bar is the pepperoni. It means pepperoni is the most popular toppings. So here the answer is pepperoni. Next one. How many customers have chosen tomato toppings? So where is tomato toppings? So this is tomato toppings. So tomato toppings exactly stop at 50. So it means the answer is 50 customer wants the tomato toppings. Next question. If 75 more customer prepare bacon, which one will top on the chart, the bacon or the onion? Let us see the bacon first. Bacon is here, so stop at exactly 150. Next, the onion is here, which is stopped at exactly 200. So each line, as we counted, it is equal to 25 customers. So here, if we stop here, will be 175, then 200. They say that we will add more 75 to the customer for the bacon. So if I add 75, it means it is 3 line because each line is 25 customer. So 25, 50, 75. So the bacon will be here. So it will become, in this line means 225. While the onion exactly on 200. It means if we add more customer to the bacon will be top than the onion. Because if we add more 75 customer, it will stop at 225. Let us have another one. List the toppings in order from most popular to least popular. Means most popular, the highest number of customer, which is the pepperoni. Next to pepperoni is what we call the mushroom. Next to mushroom is the onion. And next to onion is the bacon. Next to bacon is the pepper. And the least one is the tomato. So this is the order of toppings from most popular to least popular. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening. I hope everyone is safe. See you soon.